So now we are discussing certain results related to PDF and PMF. So the first result that we are getting, doing the summation of the probability mass function, okay, we will get 1 as a whole. Okay, like if you run the summation from minus infinity to infinity, then you will get it. And more precisely, if you do it for all I belongs to x, then also you will get f of I equal to 1. That is the first result. The second result is when you are doing the integral of the probability mass function, then you are getting 1 as the answer. With this result, let's do a problem like this. X is a random variable and probability density function is given by the following. Then we have to find the value of C. It is not written in the question. I think I have neglected writing it. So you have to find the value of C. So how can you find the value of C? First you have to do the integral of fx and you will equate it with 1. So while doing the integral, in the left hand side we can get something like this. This thing is same as writing this thing, minus infinity to 0 plus 0 to infinity, 0 to 2 and 2 to infinity. Okay, f of x dx. You know the value other than this integral right here is 0, means this thing is going to be 0, minus infinity to 0 fx dx will be going to 0. Similarly, the expression 2 to infinity f of x dx is going to 0. So what we are left with is this thing, 0 to 2 fx dx. And what is that value? We are going to inject that value here, that is 0 to 2 c times 4x minus 2x square dx. And this thing is equal to 1 numerically. Now finding the integral is an easy task for you. Suppose you are not able to find the integral, then use a calculator for that. Instead, I would recommend you to find the integral in the programming language if possible. Thank you.